Hello, beautiful souls. I'm delighted you've joined me today for a thought-provoking exploration into the powerful concept of the mirror principle. This transformative philosophy has the potential to alter the way you view the world and your life. So, allow me to take you on this journey as we unlock the secrets of this amazing truth. What is the mirror principle? The mirror principle poses the idea that everyone and everything in your life is a reflection of you. The truth is very simple. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs shape your entire existence. Mirrors are an intriguing and remarkable object. They reflect precisely what is in front of them without prejudice, a straightforward representation of reality. They aid us in perceiving areas which we are unable to identify ourselves. A mirror doesn't reveal only a portion of you, whether positive or negative. It reflects your entirety. It impartially displays your reality without bias. The mirror lacks intention, it merely reflects. Your perception shapes what you choose to see and experience in its reflection. The world is our mirror. It seems that the universe has arranged everything in this way to support our individual growth and development. When we understand that everything in our lives, careers, relationships, home life, and so on, is a reflection of our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, we can start to shift our reality. We create everything in our lives whether we want to believe it or not. There are no mistakes in the universe. Anything that has an impact on us has been created to show us something about ourselves. Every person in our lives is mirroring an aspect of ourselves back to us, so we can begin to integrate and understand ourselves more fully. There is no guilt or shame in the reflections we see. Everything is a gift to bring us to self-awareness. Many people incorrectly assume that their problems stem from outside factors. When triggered, they often feel powerless within their current circumstances, attempting to control the external factors instead of addressing their inner state. For instance, if someone constantly worries about money and harbors subconscious beliefs that they are always financially lacking and that acquiring money is a difficult endeavor, their external reality will mirror these thoughts. Their deep-seated scarcity belief of never having enough becomes the reality they experience. By not shifting their internal state, they remain trapped in the situation they wish to escape. And consequently, their circumstances remain unchanged. If they change their beliefs about money, embracing the notion of abundance and trusting that money flows effortlessly to them, along with the understanding that they are constantly supported and provided for by the universe, their reality will start to change, mirroring their newfound inner abundance. In truth, our thoughts and beliefs shape our external world, not the other way round. Reality is constantly acting like a mirror, reflecting to us what's inside. If we dwell on fear and panic, our reality reflects those negative emotions. For an example, if we experience unsafety internally because of our thoughts and subconscious beliefs, we tend to perceive the external world as unsafe and frightening. We will attract in individuals and circumstances that validate our thoughts and core beliefs. To solve our problems, we can't use the same kind of thinking that caused them. We need to change our thoughts to improve our situation. It's essential for us to be mindful of our thoughts and how we act, both towards ourselves and the larger world. Thoughts are significant, just like gravity. They exist without judgment. Regardless of whether our thoughts seem good or bad, fair or unfair, they hold power. As creators, our thoughts shape our reality. They are the foundation upon which our experiences are built. Unlike the belief that physical objects are the only real things, our thoughts are the true reality. Everything we see and experience is a result of previous thoughts, making thoughts the core influence on our lives. Therefore, it's crucial to choose our thoughts wisely, as they play a key role in shaping our world and life's wonders. Grasping this idea is crucial because it highlights the significance of the thoughts we think every day. They are shaping our entire existence. By altering our thoughts, we have the power to transform our external circumstances. Therefore, it's essential to deliberately think positive thoughts daily. A great way to start is by spending 5 minutes visualizing what you want. Here are my tips. Keep it brief. Limit visualization to 5 minutes to maintain focus. Quality matters more than quantity. Intense 5 minutes are better than distracted longer sessions. Be kind to yourself. Don't stress if your thoughts turn negative occasionally. Awareness is the first step. Stay patient and gentle with yourself. Feel the emotions. Emotions give power to your thoughts. Add excitement, joy, or pleasure to your visualizations. If you can't visualize, focus on the feelings you want to experience. Emotions speed up the manifestation process. Visualize once or twice daily. Present happiness matters too. Don't dwell excessively on the future. It might make you overlook the present. Also, constant focus on future dreams can create doubt and dampen confidence. Our beliefs have a huge impact on our thoughts and, consequently, our lives. We constantly think thoughts, often without realizing them. These thoughts shape our experiences and the life we lead. It's important to understand that our everyday thoughts and imagination create most of our experiences. So how do we make these thoughts work in our favor? By aligning our beliefs with our dreams. When our beliefs match our desires, our thoughts naturally follow, shaping the life we want to live. When our minds are filled with peace and harmony, our perspective on life changes. Anything conflicting with these thoughts and feelings naturally fades away, making room for people, situations, and experiences that resonate with peace and harmony. Consider your external surroundings. Are you happy with what you see? If not, view this as feedback. Alter your thoughts, reshape your inner world, and watch as your outer world rapidly transforms. Our task is to define what we desire in life and align our thoughts with those desires. It's crucial to be clear about what we want to create, focusing on the emotions associated with those experiences. Although it might be difficult initially, particularly if you've been feeling anxious or down, dedicating just a few minutes each day to cultivating these positive emotions can gradually transform your energy, setting the stage for significant and lasting changes. The mirror principle also manifests through interactions with others. People who provoke emotional triggers within us are merely reflecting the hidden aspects of ourselves. Our wounds, profound pains, and deep insecurities that we may not be conscious of. We cannot recognize a quality in another person unless it is present within oneself. This is to say that if a person does not possess a certain attribute, they will be unable to identify it in another. For example, if a person is viewed as being jealous, then the observer must possess some degree of jealousy in themselves to make the observation. Likewise, a person may take an instant liking to another who is well-groomed, as they too value taking care of their own appearance. By examining these interactions, we can initiate our healing process and shift our focus inward. The mirror, representing your reality, affirms your beliefs. If you consistently think, "I'm worthless" or "I'm not good at anything," the universe responds by aligning your experiences with those beliefs. You'll attract situations and individuals that reinforce these claims. Essentially, you're signaling to the universe that you lack confidence, and it mirrors this back to you. However, if you shift your perspective and affirm, "I am good enough, I am powerful, I am fearless," the universe will mirror these positive beliefs back to you. When you repeatedly say, "I'm not attractive enough," or "no one will ever love me," your subconscious accepts these statements as truth, leading to a cause and effect dynamic. Many of us tend to vocalize our dissatisfaction and focus on what is missing in our lives, which only attracts more scarcity and lack. This creates an endless cycle. However, if you change your thoughts and shift away from negativity, you can break this pattern. This negativity will continue to manifest in your life, giving you more reasons to confirm your perspective. The mirror will always show you what you really think about yourself. So, instead of trying to change the world, start by rewiring your mind. One way you can achieve this is by changing your viewpoint from a mindset of scarcity to one of gratitude. Shifting your focus to gratitude is one of the most powerful practices that can significantly impact your overall well-being and perspective on life. Cultivating gratitude involves consciously acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of your life, regardless of how small they might seem. Here are some steps to help you start shifting your focus to gratitude. 1. Practice mindfulness. Begin by being present in the moment. Pay attention to your surroundings, your senses, and your emotions. Mindfulness helps you recognize the blessings that often go unnoticed in the rush of daily life. 2. Keep a gratitude journal. Dedicate a few minutes each day to write down things you are grateful for. They could be as simple as a beautiful sunrise, a kind gesture from a friend, or a delicious meal. Writing them down helps reinforce the positive aspects of your life. 3. Express gratitude. Don't just feel grateful, express it. Tell the people around you that you appreciate them. Expressing gratitude not only makes others feel valued, but also enhances your own sense of gratitude. 4. Focus on abundance. Shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Instead of dwelling on what you lack, focus on what you have. Appreciate your talents, relationships, and the resources available to you. 5. Gratitude rituals. Create rituals around gratitude. It could be a daily morning practice where you express gratitude for the upcoming day, or an evening ritual where you reflect on the positive moments of the day. Having a structured routine can reinforce the habit of gratitude. 6. Turn challenges into opportunities. Train yourself to see challenges as opportunities for growth. Every obstacle faced can teach you valuable lessons. Finding something to be grateful for, even in difficult situations, can shift your perspective and help you cope better. 7. Practice. Grateful affirmations. Use positive affirmations related to gratitude. For example, say, "I am thankful for the abundance in my life," or "I am grateful for the love and support I receive from others." Repeat these affirmations regularly to reinforce the feeling of gratitude. Engaging in this practice will lead to rewiring your brain, causing your reality to gradually transform. The key lies within you. Invest time in your spiritual journey, nurturing your thoughts and mental well-being through practices such as meditation and affirmations. Your external reality will naturally reflect this inner transformation. Remember, every thought, every emotion, and every action send ripples into the universe, creating a tapestry of experiences uniquely your own. As we conclude this exploration, I encourage you to reflect on the truth that everything and everyone you encounter is a reflection of the energy you project. Embrace the reflections, both beautiful and challenging, as opportunities for self-discovery and growth. If you found this video enlightening, please share it with those you care about. Together, let's spread the awareness of the mirror principle and empower others to realize their infinite potential. Remember, you are a magnificent, unique expression of the universe, and your light has the power to illuminate the world. Be kind to yourself and others, and always keep shining brightly. Until we meet again, take care.